When you arrive at college, there are lots of costs you're responsible for paying, and you may encounter situations where different methods of payments are required. You may be asking, when do I use check? And how does a credit card actually work?
Oh, I got my first paycheck. I better deposit it before I lose it.
Once you have a bank account, you may use your debit card to withdraw or deposit money. You may have a checking or savings account. Make sure you double check which account you're using. Simply stop at the ATM. Stop at the ones that are associated with your bank so you don't get charged for transaction fees. You'll need your PIN number, which only you know. So make sure it's something easy to remember, but not too easy that someone else could guess it. We recommend that you check your account balance regularly. Taking your account balance into low or negative may sometimes occur fees that are called overdraft fees.
I open a bank account at here, and they give me a checkbook. How does this work?
A check is a piece of paper from your bank you fill out to pay for goods and services. Using checks is a matter of preference, but can be convenient for larger expenses when credit card and debit cards are not accepted, like paying rent. Let's look at how to fill one out. Start by writing the date and who the check is being paid to. Here's where you show the dollar amount being paid, and below you're asked to spell out how much you're paying. You can put dashed lines before and after the amount paid. Lastly, in the memo line, write a name for the payment and to the right, sign. Never give out empty checks.
And I also applied for a credit card. How does a credit card work?
A debit card is just like a check. You're using money you already have in your bank account. A credit card is using money you don't already have, but will pay back later.
Wait, don't I get charged extra money for using a credit card each month? I can't remember.
That's called interest. If you pay off the whole balance, by the due date, there is no added interest. However, if you don't pay on time, here's what happens. Let's say you owe $100 with a 17% interest. By the end of the month, your total amount owed will become $117. By the next month, your 17% interest will make your total amount owed become $136.89. Using credit card is not free money. You have to pay back everything you charged. If you don't, you will hurt your credit score. Your credit score is like your financial resume. It's made up of a variety of factors, but the most important thing is to pay your bill on time.
So let me get this straight. I can use an ATM to withdraw money or deposit checks. If possible, pay off my credit card bill on time. Otherwise, I will accrue interest when I choose to pay back later. A check is a paper version of the debit card. They are essentially the same.
One stop doesn't mean only one visit. If you have any questions, please reach out here.